love fried food. The crispy fried food is so tasty that we just want to hog on it. Especially when we are at home, we want to do it even more. हम लोग को तला हुआ खाना बहुत पसंद है. पकोड़े, समोसे, भजिया, गुजराती के भजिया वगैरह वगैरह इतना पसंद है कि जब हम घर पे रहते तो हम तो उसी पे जीते हैं जैसे कि. और फिर धीरे 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 स्पेशली ये लॉकडाउन में जब एक्सरसाइजेस कम होती है तो हम फैटी होने लगते हैं. वी स्टार्ट गेनिंग वेट, वी बिकम ओबेसिटी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डायबिटीज, एवरीथिंग कैन फॉलो. According to Ayurveda, eating fried food can deplete your Agni and that produces ama toxins. हम जब तला हुआ खाते तो हमारी जो पाचन की क्षमता है वो खत्म हो जाती है और उसकी वजह से ये तला हुआ हजम ना होने से हम एक प्रकार का आधा पका हुआ आंव पैदा करते हैं. ये एक ऐसी म्यूकस है जो जहाँ जाए वहाँ बहुत सारे डिजीज पैदा कर देती है. दिस आर्म व्हेन इट गोज टू पैंक्रियाटिक चैनल कॉजेज डायबिटीज. इफ इट गोज टू लिवर क्रिएट्स फैटी लिवर एंड कोलेस्टेरॉल. इफ इट गोज इन द ब्रेन it can create confusion, no clarity, depression, etc., etc. If it can even get accumulated slowly in the arteries, creating heart problems, or if it gets accumulated in your legs, DVT, many problems can happen. Chronic fatigue can happen. So it is important that we don't eat a lot of fried food. So today I am going to show you Indian tasty moong dal pakoda, how you can make it non-fried and enjoy it without feeling sinful. I did last night actually. I took half a cup of moong dal. This is a standard measuring cup. आधा कप मूंग दाल ली मैंने, उसको मैंने सोक करके रख दी थी. उसके बाद मैंने उसे मिक्सी ग्राइंडर में पीस डाली और फिर इस तरीके से ये आज सुबह मैंने पीसी थी. 3 घंटे से ये ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है. तो ये अब तैयार है बनने के लिए. इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे मसाले. तो मैंने एक्चुअली ये बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट ऐसा खड़ा, I have prepared a very roughly powdered spice mixture for this, which is going to make it very yummy plus very digestible because all the dals create sometimes gases and heavy to digest. So this mixture जो है वो हमारी मूंग दाल को पचाने में मदद करेगी, आंव नहीं पैदा करे और टेस्टी और स्वादिष्ट बन जाए. तो इसमें है, मैंने जारा खड़ा ऐसा पिसा हुआ रखा हुआ है. एक ऐसी टेबल स्पून भर के मैंने धनिया लिया था. आई टुक 1 tablespoon ऑफ कोरिएंडर होल. देन आई टुक हाफ टेबलस्पून विच इज लाइक 1 teaspoonful ऑफ होल फनेल पाउडर एंड आई टुक 1 teaspoonful ऑफ क्यूमिन सीड पाउडर और एक पाव चम्मच इस तरीके की छोटी सी पाव चम्मच, ये मेजरिंग स्पून है, होल पेपरकॉर्न. इसको पूरा मैंने क्रश कर दिया, कूट डाला है इस तरीके से. ये जो कूटने की एक मशीन आती है उसमें कूटा है मैंने. तो ये इसमें मैंने डाल दिया मिक्सचर. उसके बाद इसमें हमें डालना है अदरक की पीसी हुई पेस्ट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट half a teaspoonful of ginger paste in this. Then I am going to put it, and this is optional, but of course Indian people love chilies, and if you are used to taking chilies, you can take little bit of chilies. It definitely helps digestion if you take it in moderate, but too much is not good. So 1/4 teaspoon of chili मैंने डाल दी इसमें. और उसके बाद मैंने एक बड़ा स्पूनफुल भर के कटी हुई धनिया, कोरिएंडर फ्रेश मैंने डाल दिया. I put 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander in that, and then I will put, if possible, rock salt. Otherwise, you can also use a sea salt. Whole sea salt is fine. Almost 1/4 teaspoon of a sea salt in this. And I would use just a little bit of this Eno powder, kind of. So that you can add inside 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then you can mix it all together like this. So this is all mixed now very well. I have kept this appam ka pan. You know the idiyappam, appam. That pan I have kept it, and I am going to use it for making non-fried vada. It's already heated on the gas, so you can put just a little bit oil, just to make it a kind of a slightly greasy. Okay, not so much, very little oil. I'm just going to show you few of them, and then just pour this here. Half of it you can fill up like this. So now I kept this for cooking for a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and you see this is ready now completely. Here we go. This is ready, all brown, completely cooked from inside, crispy like fried pakoda. Very little oil, mixed with those spices which are very tasty but also digestive, because we want to have benefit from our food, not toxins. So eat everything which is digestible, add spices to digest it, and make sure that you don't create ama. See you next time. You can eat this one now with this chutney which we created yesterday, this morning actually. Coriander, mint and chickpea. This is real hot and crispy, and inside is puffy. Outside is crispy, inside is puffy. So delicious, my God. My son, he loves it. He's taking this video and I want to have him try this out.
Oh my God, my favorite.
Yeah.
This is really delicious. Once, many years ago, one guy came who is from USA, and he was more than 100 kilograms. That is more than 200 pounds. And then he had an addiction for eating fried food. He loved it, but he wanted some solution. What to do? So then mommy made this, and he was addicted. And believe it or not, he started to lose weight. More he ate this, because this is all dal, this is all healthy, this is digestive. So he lost weight by eating fried food which he loved. Oh my God, and I love this too. And I love you, and I'm with you. Namaskar, namaskar.